I'm back on the vlog, guys, and crazy enough, I'm going to a car show with Chris. He just picked up the Throttle 335i. This thing is fire.
Who's filming the filmer?
I call her Chandelier.
Call her Cappuccino.
Chris claims the tire's about to fall off, or it's rubbing too bad. Ain't even rubbing! Chris, there's not a scratch on this thing.
It's up here. This one's the bad one.
Oh, it is chewed up, right? Yeah, you are getting chewed up, but...
I'm not a liar. I don't lie.
Chris and I were in the bathroom. Ugly. The guy thought that we owned the orange car, but they were wrong.
Yeah, I don't own this.
Chris doesn't own this. Here, I'm a gentleman.
It's locked.
Can you unlock it?
Trying. Hold on!
Michael wants a seat.
It's a Hellcat. On today's episode of Alex Sucks at GPS.
Yeah, I literally got us to take the wrong turn 3 times.
Oh, we saved a minute.
Oh, we did save a minute. Good thing I told you to turn around.
This one?
This one.
Should probably slow down.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we're coming in. We're good.
We're not going over the double yellow. Now entering the town of Logan. Plate up! Yo, can you drive my car so I can swap my plate? I'm now driving the 335.
Hello! It's awake! Collar.
God damn.
God damn. How you doing, buddy?
Good, you?
Not bad.
What's up?
What's going on?
How are you?
Good, yeah? Yo, they give you guys a good parking spot. Oh my God, it's Sean!
Welcome to the channel. It's Alex, baby.
My
favorite YouTuber.
My favorite YouTuber.
Yes.
Good morning.
Wake that shit down. Wake that shit down. I call her detailer. How much power does it make?
I can't hear you.
How much power does it make?
700.
Look who it is! Chris, can you wipe it down again to make it look like you're actually doing something?
Yeah. I do recall when I got out of the car, I said, hey, you guys want to help me?
Well, I asked if you wanted help, then I picked up my camera and I said, fuck guys.
I don't remember him saying that.
Let me tell you something. Jesus Christ loves you.
Just me. So there's like literally, like they got us walking half a mile just to see the VIP parking. Yo, Chris is VIP, but we got that good spot.
Giveaway, it's free, enter this shit.
Everyone's super concerned. Should we go all pile on the mini truck right now?
That Cooper Media? This guy owns the place. I go flying off. So handsome, so handsome.
Oh, sweet day.
Shit's crazy.
Alex, you've been able to go specific, you want to go for a ride?
Oils in the back of a golf cart right now. Boys. Yeah, there's still people pulling up, that's awesome.
I don't like travel.
It was 3 miles long.
That line was
It
3
went
miles
all the way
long?
back to on the highway.
Really?
had to open 2 gates.
That's
I was
crazy.
going to open this. That whole thing is 3 wide. And then this is open now for QR codes, and that's at the gate sales.
Where's the walkie?
What's up, buddy? We're cutting down the line.
Oh no, that's good. Let's do it. Yeah.
Yeah, there's Simon. The whole place. There's stuff everywhere.
Oh, I'm here for Skyline and a Mouse.
What's up, bro?
How are you?
How are you?
What's going on?
I call her chandelier. I got another key.
I got nothing.
I shut down the party.
Call fire. Call fire. Keep going. Keep going, brother. Keep going. Everybody, subscribe to Alex Whittick on YouTube. Follow Sky on Instagram. Yeah. Woo! We'll give him an A for effort.
Oh, fuck participation trophies.
We give out participation trophies here.
Tell them to sell it.
Turn! Oh my God, it's Jake Farrell. Oh my God, it's Kevin. Is this your stuff?
Lawan 6L, go check it out.
You can't park there.
I need a twisted tea.
Stone forever. High yellow, every yellow. Off a track, truck.
Alex,
Alex, nice to meet
have
you.
you ever seen the GTI? What is it, TDI?
TDI. Bro, he's ripping darts?
You want a cigarette?
No, I'm good.
He's next. Don't worry.
No, I got.
That thing is fucking.
You gotta work for a year.
Oh yeah,
Before I buy
that's
you.
fucking.
You hiring?
Dude, no way.
Oh my God, is that Alex?
No
TDI?
way.
No way. Scooter kid, right? I got all the space for a turbo.